I'm Davis.
Behind me. This one is a double-sided grooving device. Its biggest feature is that it can realize CNC adjustment. This size is very convenient. So let's take a look at how about its actual operation performance.
Let's go.
Look over here. Everyone, one is okay. And then two more come. So it can, at a time, a slot, which is very convenient. And it is an intelligent, a way of adjusting the size by CNC, which is very convenient. Let's take a look at how it adjusts a size. First, here you can choose. First, here we can choose the size we want to cut, such as 500.
OK， 我们的档子采用数控调节。
Okay, now we have set the dimensions. Let's try its grooving. Its grooving process. Let's try it. We are ready to put it on the board. Come. Let's take a look at the entire double groove. It has been cut. Let's take a close up with the camera. Okay, then this video will end here. If you are interested, please message me in the comments. I'm Davis. I'm waiting for you at the factory.
See you.